Another senior figure in the Zimbabwe National Army has died, deepening unease inside the ranks at the time of a heightened political tension. Sarapira Mashkoblanyi questions another Zimbabwe National Army senior officer Colonel Dickson Mulilo dies. Wherever subscribe like on the bell icon. Tivina mchitiko chinotyisa chavhundutsa veruzhinji pasara nemaquestions achichiko chiri kumboitika muna umwe kudanyi kwa mchenzi. Colonel Dickson Mulilo, who was deployed to 4.1 Infantry Battalion in Masvingo, passed away in the early hours of Wednesday. Sources say he died at around 4 a.m. after collapsing near Aminas, a spot close to 4 Infantry Battalion that was known to frequent. The ZNA has not yet released an official statement on his death. At the time of passing, Colonel Mulilo has been seconded to Ministry of Mines and Mining Development in Masvingo. His death follows what on the heels of announcements by ZNA Commander Lieutenant General Ashawota Tafmane of the passing of Major General Richard Ruwondo, 72, who died at Harare Hospital on Tuesday. The back-to-back deaths of 3 senior officers in 1 week have fueled speculation over growing fractures within the security sector. Military analysts and serving members are openly questioning whether the timing of coincidental, especially with the controversial Constitution Amendment Bill No. 3, now law, and debates raging over command structures and political control. While no cause has been given for Mulilo's death, the mood in barracks and among veterans is reportedly tense, with the whispers that Cap 3 is unsettled part of the establishment. Ruwondo is survived by his wife, Louis, and 3 children. One has gathered at house number 92, Folijon Crescent, Glenlone, Harare. Burial arrangements for both officers are yet to be announced. Toma developments are pangwa ino. Na comment section medu za fungira aimot kudipa msuru bichitko each. So subscribe or like, chito the bell icon.